Hi guys, it's Mika again. Today we'll be looking at a device with a form factor you've never seen before. We're talking about the new and stylish HUAWEI FreeClip. Compared to regular earbuds, it has a unique ear clip design and you can say goodbye to that uncomfortable suction feeling. Let's go see and hear what it's got. After testing out the FreeClip, 3 words come to mind when it comes to design. Number 1 is futuristic, comfortable, and stable. Just one look at it, you can tell that the HUAWEI FreeClip is ahead of its time with its unique ear clip design. And when you wear it, it looks more like an accessory. It comes in black and purple. No matter what you choose, they're both equally stylish. It has 3 parts. First, you have the acoustic ball where the sound will come out. Next is the comfort pin. As the name suggests, provides you a comfortable yet snug fit. It even has that barely there feeling. Then there's the flexible and innovative C-bridge that's made of high-performance nickel titanium shape memory steel wire that can adjust to your ear shape. It adds to that snug and stable fit all day long. Thanks to these 3, you don't have to worry about your earbuds falling off while you're jogging or doing high-intensity workouts. Sweaty workouts and driving range sessions won't be a problem either since it has an IP54 rating. And something noteworthy is that its design should suit various ear types. One of its standout features is its open acoustic design. It doesn't block the ear canal, that's why there's no suction feeling. I can already tell that long listening sessions won't cause any discomfort. Also, this design is ideal if you don't want to block out a lot of external noise. You'd need this when you're jogging around your village, walking around the park, and commuting to work. You'd also want to be able to hear your boss if he calls you out of nowhere. Simply put, the open acoustic design helps you stay connected with the outside world at all times without having to press pause to your Spotify jams. Of course, that comfort won't mean anything if the sound quality sucks. Thankfully, the FreeClip didn't disappoint the slightest bit. There is a 10.8mm dual magnet driver. Even with the open acoustic design, I noticed how it delivered punchy enough bass as well as loud and clear vocals. It gets me pumped up during my workouts. Because of the reverse sound field acoustic system, there is reduced sound leakage, which ultimately protects your privacy. The FreeClip's performance is consistently good when taking calls. It has AI call noise cancellation and VPU wind noise cancellation, which allow you to have clear voice calls no matter how noisy or windy it may be. Aside from trailblazing design, HUAWEI also highlights a smart experience. First, since the earbuds are identical, it has a left and right ear auto-adaptation, so it's no big deal if you accidentally mix them up. Second, you can enjoy the convenience of dual device connectivity since it allows multiple connections to different HUAWEI devices. The third thing I like about the FreeClip is that you can tap anywhere from the controls. Double tap for player pause and to answer or end calls. Then triple tap for song switch. The double tap is effortless, but doing the song switch through the triple tap could be slightly a chore. Perhaps you can get used to it after some time. And lastly, what I wish it had was a volume control. The earbuds alone can give you 8 hours of listening time. With its case, the FreeClip can last you up to 32 hours. Impressively, HUAWEI paid so much attention to detail to provide increased comfort and superb sound quality and design for the HUAWEI FreeClip. It's also a good conversation starter. Personally, if I see someone wearing it, I'd be like, cool, are those earrings or earbuds? Whatever they are, you're rocking it. All in all, it scores high in style, function, and comfort. You get so much value at the price point of $9,999. It'll be available starting Feb 2, and your purchase will come with freebies as well. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you guys think of the trailblazing HUAWEI FreeClip.